Any minute, one of the men charged in the shooting of an off-duty ICE officer in Washington Heights will go before a judge.
Yeah, the suspects are here illegally and have criminal histories. The case sparked debate over New York City's sanctuary status and even prompted a federal lawsuit targeting Mayor Adams, members of his administration, and New York City's sanctuary city policies.
Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett live at the courthouse in Lower Manhattan with the very latest. NJ.
And Dave, as you know, the shooting sparked an immigration crackdown here in New York. And as Lauren said, there is now a lawsuit against the city over the sanctuary city laws. The accused gunman remains hospitalized. Both suspects are undocumented Dominican migrants, now facing a federal indictment. The suspected accomplice will appear in court today for the first time. Prosecutors say 22-year-old Christian Eybar Baroa drove the motorbike. 21-year-old Miguel Francisco Mora Nunez allegedly fired the gun. Both men were indicted for their roles in the armed robbery attempt that left an off-duty customs officer wounded. The shooting took place along the shores of the Hudson shortly before midnight on Saturday, where authorities say Mora Nunez attempted to rob the officer. In the shootout that followed, both Mora Nunez and the officer were shot. Prosecutors say Eybar Baroa drove Mora Nunez to the Bronx, where he was treated at Lincoln Hospital for 2 gunshot wounds. Surveillance images allegedly show Eybar Baroa leaving the hospital with Mora Nunez's bloody clothes, which were later recovered. Mora Nunez was ordered deported in November 2024. Eybar Baroa ordered deported in January 2023. But they remained on the streets even after they were arrested over and over again for a variety of crimes. The Trump administration is now suing New York over its sanctuary city laws.
That's going to be a pretty routine filing with other cities, too. As you know, we've started numerous lawsuits with other cities. We want to bring safety. We've got to get the criminals out, and we're doing it in record numbers.
Mayor Adams was asked about the laws on morning television this morning.
We should be able to coordinate with the federal authorities to address those situations. Not legal people who are going about following their next step on the American dream that are undocumented. We should not be harming them at all. These are innocent people who are just trying to pursue the American dream.
And that is where the mayor draws the line. To be clear, New York sanctuary city laws do not prevent cooperation with ICE on criminal cases. As for the customs officer, he's not been publicly identified so far. He continues to recover at Harlem Hospital. We're live in Lower Manhattan, NJ Burkett, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.